Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today, we have something special to talk about that can truly elevate your kitchen experience. We're diving into the KunMai single-handle high-arc swiveling dual-mode pull-down sprayer kitchen sink faucet, and we'll explore all the features that make it stand out from the crowd. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more reviews and home improvement tips. Let's get started. The KunMai single-handle high-arc swiveling dual-mode pull-down sprayer kitchen sink faucet is a versatile and stylish addition to any kitchen. With its high-arc design and dual-mode sprayer, this faucet offers both functionality and aesthetic appeal. In this review, we will explore the features, benefits, and installation process of this innovative kitchen fixture. Here are some of the specific features KunMai single-handle high-arc swiveling dual-mode pull-down sprayer kitchen sink faucet. Versatile dual-function sprayer, effortlessly switch between a powerful pre-rinse spray and a splash-free aerated stream at the switch button on the side of the nozzle. Commercial high-arc design, the high-arc and 360-degree swiveling spout provide ample clearance and easy access for all your kitchen tasks. Unmatched durability, crafted with solid brass and finished in a luxurious polished gold, this lead-free faucet resists corrosion and ensures long-lasting performance. Hassle-free installation, all necessary mounting hardware and hot-cold water lines are included in the package. With the installation guide, you can easily set up the faucet yourself, saving time and money on hiring a plumber. User-friendly operation, the single-handle design allows you to effortlessly control both water flow and temperature, providing a seamless and enjoyable experience in the kitchen. The KunMai single-handle high-arc swiveling dual-mode pull-down sprayer kitchen sink faucet is a kitchen faucet with a number of features that may appeal to homeowners. Here's a breakdown of its pros and cons. Pros: multiple spray modes, high-arc spout, 360-degree swivel, single-handle control, solid brass construction, easy installation, variety of finishes. Cons: fewer user reviews. Overall, the KunMai single-handle high-arc swiveling dual-mode pull-down sprayer kitchen sink faucet appears to be a functional and stylish option for homeowners looking for a faucet with these features. However, it is essential to weigh the pros and cons, considering user reviews of similar faucets from other brands to make an informed decision. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kitchen Faucet for more reviews and home improvement tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've already tried the KunMai single-handle high-arc swiveling dual-mode pull-down sprayer kitchen sink faucet. Until next time, happy kitchen upgrading!